Great getaway home or convenient staycation. Take a look at this home on almost 5 acres. Room for everything. Enjoy morning coffee or a nightcap from the cozy gazebo. Convenient walkway from carport leads to a 24x16 utility shed workshop. Enjoy the open floor plan of this home featuring indoor laundry area, plenty of storage, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a bonus room. New metal roof on home, gazebo, and shed in 2018. Just off Lecanto Highway, so you're close to schools and shopping, also close to Crystal River's natural amenities. Call today for a customized showing and begin your vacation or staycation.